So Hurricane Zeta came 300 miles inland. Let's see what we find. Bunch of leaves. Laid all my chairs down. I'm 300 miles inland from the coast. And we got tropical storm warning and hurricane watch. From a hurricane 300 miles away. So let's see what we got. Man, it blew leaves everywhere on my steps, didn't it? I brought Axel in last night because I wasn't sure what was going to happen. Limbs. Ain't much damage, but the winds last night, they were clocked at 70 miles an hour. Some places, like near us in higher elevation, they were clocked at 90 miles an hour. Knocked a bunch of limbs down, didn't it? Oh, there's a tree down. Wow. I having to watch where I walk at. There's stuff every darn where. More limbs down. Limbs down. I heard a boom on the house. I gotta be careful what I walk through here. I don't want to get hurt. Got flip-flops on. Look at that mess. It's going to take me this is ridiculous. I don't live nowhere near the coast. And we're getting stuff like this everywhere. This has happened 4 times this year. But that's the first for the tree being down. I heard a boom. Oh shit, that's going to be a mess to get down. Oh man, it's lodged in there too. Right on the edge of the house. Look at that. God. That means I got to get up there on top of the house and get that down. Shit. Maybe I can just push it off. Man, that come close to our power line. Right there at it. Right there. More, what, like another foot, 2 feet, get the power line knocked down. Look at that mess. Right on the edge of the house. That's what that loud bump I heard last night. That's just ridiculous. I mean, I don't live nowhere near the ocean. This stuff's got to stop. I'm tired of this. This is 3 or 4 times we got tropical storm warning this year. And like 6 or 8 of them just regular came through here without the warnings. What do? Move 1,000 miles away from the ocean? I don't know. This is. At least we didn't have no more damage. Could have been bad. Wow. Frustrated. I got to move away from the ocean. I'm already 300 miles. I don't know what to do. Just, wow. Glad it wasn't worse. I'm sure a lot of people got a whole lot worse than I do.